Everyone's talking protein these days. One of our viewers wants to know, how much do I need and how can I get enough? So the average female needs 46 grams a day, average male 56 grams. So that's 19 to 50 plus. That's a good range. And when you think about getting protein, you want to try to get sources of protein, of course, that you enjoy, and a wide variety of them. So protein is contained, we usually consider it the animal sources and the non-animal sources. So animal protein, such as meats, beef, pork, chicken, fish, those are all great sources of protein. And then there's the non-animal sources, soybeans, whole grains, beans, nuts, seeds, all great sources of protein. The difference is generally animal protein usually has some iron and different nutrients than the non-animal, but they're both great sources of protein to your question. Another way to look at it is about 10 to 35% of your calories should come from protein. So as much as a third of your calories can come from protein. So just to give you an example, a glass of milk has 8 grams of protein, an ounce of chicken or fish or meat has 7 grams of protein, a cup of Greek yogurt would have 11 grams of protein, a cup of beans, 16 grams of protein. So there's lots of sources out there. Most Americans get plenty. We usually don't have a problem of not getting enough, but protein's darling lately because it is a great satisfying nutrient that'll help keep you feeling full. So make sure you get your protein today.